All right, guys, here we go. Last math assignment of summer school. All right. Yesterday we changed fractions into decimals, but today we're going to change decimals into fractions, and I want you to write down this little handy dandy chart again. Okay, so there's the and, which signifies the decimal, your tenths and your hundredth spot, and your ones and your tens, which you're not really going to use, but I put them there anyway. Now here's your first example. Okay, now this is a decimal. That, my friends, is 2/10. Okay, so if you have 2/10, how are we going to write that? Well, it's in the tenth spot, so we know that the numerator is going to be 10, and you're going to put 2/10. Pretty easy, right? Let's go to this next one. So you got your and as the decimal, the 4 in the tenth spot. You got your 0 in the ones. So if you have 4/10, you're going to write that as a 10. And what's in the tenth spot? The 4. 4/10. Okay? Super simple. This one's a little different. I'm going to give you some hundredths ones too. Okay? So if you're dealing with the hundredth spot, then you're going to have to write out here 100, because you're dealing with the hundred spot. How many hundredths do we have? Well, we have, since that ends on the 12 and we have that 1 there, you have 12 hundredths. Okay? Super simple. Now this one's a little bit different. This is just a 3/100ths. There is nothing in the tenth spot. So if you have 100, how many hundredths are there? There's only 3. Okay? Super simple. Super simple changing decimals into fractions and fractions into decimals. Because you really can't go that high when you're in 4th, 5th, 6th grade. They don't go that high. So you just need to learn these basics. All right? Now, here's your assignment. Okay? I want you to write them as fractions. Okay? I'm giving you decimals. Okay? So here's your assignment. Change from decimals into fractions. Okay, number 1, 9/10. Number 2, 1/10. Number 3, 7/10. Number 4, 8/10. Number 5, 6/10. Number 6, 3/10. Go down to the bottom. Number 1 in the hundreds is going to be 33 hundredths. Number 2, 61 hundredths. Number 3, 14 hundredths. Number 4, 23 hundredths. Number 5, 3 hundredths. And number 6, 51 hundredths. Okay? There's the overview of it. Do your best. You guys are always doing an awesome job on your math. So get this done and just submit it. Okay? Have a good day.